Wherever life takes you, carry the perfect backup plan. The portable, versatile Talon by Tactica. Modern life presents challenges. Work, sports, adventures, small things can easily blow out and become big. Talon helps keep the small things small. Made with an advanced composite technology and world-first patent-pending design, the Talon packs 17 tools and features to match in a pocket-sized carry. It comes with metric and imperial wrenches and rulers, box cutter, bottle opener, and standard 1/4-inch Phillips and flathead hex drives. The Talon adapts to your life. Simply swap out the hex drives for your next adventure. Whether you need an Allen head through to Torx, the Talon holds 2 within its body. A flexible elastomer keeps the tools locked in place and ready when you need them. The original socket design allows your hand to be positioned as you would with a regular screwdriver, a feature that many pocket tools don't allow. The Talon is made of one of the world's most advanced composite materials, 40% lighter than titanium and the strength of die-cast metal. Plus, the material tech allows you to carry your Talon without fear of scratching your latest phone or tablet. The Talon can go anywhere you do, and it complies with current TSA requirements for air travel. The Australian designed, engineered and manufactured Talon multi-tool by Tactica. Compact enough to carry every day. Lightweight enough not to weigh you down. Heavy duty enough to get things done. Talon in your hand? Enough said.